Okay, so 2 days ago I ordered an axolotl from Feeder Frenzy Reptiles out of Colorado, and they mailed him out Monday. Today is Tuesday. He got here within less than 24 hours from Colorado to Florida. He is here. His water is obviously dirty. He's nice and active. Hey, dude. Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to open him up and try to get him into the tub without putting all this dirty water in. That is just feces from his day in a bag, and probably scared to death. Scared the poop right out of him. Ha! Pun intended. Poor guy's had 24 hours of travel. Holy cow, he's in another bag. I'm coming, buddy. Oh, he's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get him out of here. This is a little wet, so it did leak, but very minor, which is why they do the 2 bags. That's my dog Andy barking in the background. He's the worst barker in the world. Alright, so I've got this open, and I'm going to hold him. I'm going to run and grab a net. Didn't think about that. I'm going to grab another plastic bin to dump the dirty water in. He's so anxious. He's got to be freaking out. Okay. So what I'm going to try and do is gently put him into this bag. You know, buddy, just for a quick second. Alright. Oh, there he is. Oh, so much babies. Okay. Here you go, dude. Some clean water. You gonna come out? You gonna come out? Oh my god, he's gorgeous. Yes, you see, huh? Look at, that's our new buddy. Huh? Yeah, you smell poop and you want that. So, as you can see here, oh god, he's got such gorgeous gills. Hi, buddy. Oh, the camera tilted. Leo, get down. Okay, so here he is. That looks like a little bit of food on him. Oh, he's so gorgeous. I hope the video shows the redness in his gills. And there you have it, my new male axolotl from Feeder Frenzy Reptiles. Thanks, Nicole.